She's playing the music for the music channel, but she's doing it.
It was the wrong vibe anyway.
Right. When I was on council, the reason why we pushed for what's called a second POD, or point of delivery, point of distribution. If this goes down, then guess what happens to all the power in town, right?
It all goes down.
But let's build a second one. And the reason why we need to build a second one is because if this goes down, all the power in town can still get out. If someone comes down the highway and shoots bullets at this POD and it's offline, we still have the main one, which is over there behind the old power plant on Atlantic Avenue. We could tie the city of Kinston finishing that second POD, give an update, you know, is it in progress? I mean, is it finished? If one power station went down or point POD went down, what happens with other power? So we could actually make a story out of it in the context of what happened in Moore County.
It does, it would make people feel better seeing it on the news and happening in North Carolina, and knowing that it happened down the street, that if it happened here, we at least have a semi-solution for it.
So anyway, there's our fun lesson for the day. So we'll just add this. And
what is all this candy for?
It's for the parade, and BJ told me that if we don't move it into the studio, he's gonna eat it all. I'm gonna put it in this corner. And so that every time they come in the studio, they don't see where the candy is.
Oh no.
Do it on the smooth part. Oh, we just need that. Like it. The official boat lighting ceremony. Drum roll, please. You ready, Leah? All right, here we go. 1, 2, 3. Ah!
I felt like the Grinch sneaking in and taking all the candy. We're sitting here. And
I walked up.
well, it looks like it may be at any point a literal torrential downpour. We have over 1,000 participants in the parade, so we're going over that. And BJ is attempting to sing Christmas songs.
well, hello, Kinston. Are y'all excited? I see a lot of smiling faces down Queen Street.
Danny, we did it. We did it. We had some hiccups, but we did it. We survived. 2023 is on its way.